wondered if there's anything, one small thing you could start doing like right now that can change everything about your life? If your answer to that question is yes, you need to stick with me to the very end of this video, because what I'll be sharing with you today is just what you need to know to transform your life.
Life coach, guiding your way, step by step through night and
Hello, welcome back to Savvy Life Coach channel. This is where we learn, grow, and become the best version of ourselves. My name is Peace, and I am your coach on this channel. So today I want to talk to you about something very, very important and powerful. Yes, you see, most people often think that change or growth happens during big events like winning a lottery, moving to a new country, getting a new job. But what people don't understand is that growth usually happens through what we do consistently. Those little things we do that doesn't actually look like much, but over time, those habits, those things we do, those little things, those things that we do, and we say, it doesn't matter. Over time, they begin to completely shift our lives. And today, I will be sharing one of those powerful habits with you. It is called daily self-reflection. Self-reflection simply means taking a few moments every day, maybe in the night, to ask yourself some questions and being very, very sincere and honest with the answers. Questions like, how did I do today? How can I learn from today? And what will I do better? I know what you are thinking now. You are thinking that this is not glamorous, right? But let me tell you something. This one simple habit can actually set you apart. Set you apart from 95% of people who are living on autopilot every day. I'm telling you from experience. See, when you begin to reflect every day, you will begin to notice and see those things that people don't see. You will begin to catch those small mistakes before they become big. And also, you will begin to celebrate your little wins and stay connected to your real self, not just being busy. Some people are just busy. Some people will say they are busy for nothing. Don't be like that. You start to live intentionally. And when you live intentionally, guess what happens? Your life begins to move forward every day. Isn't that what we all want? So I'll make it simple for you today. If you want to start this habit today, and I sincerely hope you do, all you need is just 5 minutes before you sleep tonight. Grab a notebook, or if you have the notebook app on your phone, fine. And ask yourself these 3 simple questions. What did I do well today? What could I have done better? And what is one thing I will do tomorrow to grow? That's it. No pressure, no guilt. It's about beating yourself up. It's about growing. It's about learning. And you know what? If you stick to this small habit, even when you don't feel like it, 6 months from now, when you look back, you will be very grateful you did. And remember to give me my flowers. I'll be waiting. You'll feel more confident of yourself. You'll feel in control of your life. And you will feel happier because you are living a purpose-filled life and not just reacting to things around you. So I have a question for you today. Are you ready to start building that one habit that can truly change your life? All you need to do is to comment "I am ready" in the comments. It's time we start building a community of serious-minded people. People who want to take their growth, their personal development, and winning very, very serious. If you found value in this video, please give it a like. Share it with that friend of yours who needs some encouragement today. And subscribe to Savvy Life Coach channel for more videos just like this. Thank you for watching, and do not forget that small, consistent steps lead to big, amazing results. I will see you in my next videos.